I feel very good about hiring you, Harminder. And I'm not flattering. I'm a 68-year-old woman, and I have developed a fear of driving because I had not driven for about 30 years due to circumstances. So what I did do is I hired an instructor, and let's just say it didn't go well. Even with instruction from him, I just felt like a terrible driver. And my fear and my anxiety was still there. And I went to do my drive test. And of course, I failed before I got out of the parking lot. I found you on YouTube, to tell you the truth, because I thought I'm going to make a second attempt at getting my drive test, because after the first try, I became very embarrassed. So I watched you on YouTube, and I was just taken aback because I got so much knowledge just out of watching regular videos. And I thought, wow, this guy's great. Then I noticed a link underneath. It said something like, are you a nervous driver? Do you have anxiety when you drive? And I thought, this man must be speaking to me. I clicked on the link, and it took me to your page. I had no idea that you were understanding of, people who have these kind of feelings, like anxiety to the point, well, they'll make any excuse not to get in the car. And what I mean by that is, like I mentioned to you, I got my G1 in 2021, and I didn't bother with it. I thought, well, my husband can drive me around. And then when I actually went to drive, I drove here and there, but I felt like incompetence. And that's when I hired that instructor, and he just made me feel worse. As a matter of fact, I was paranoid to make lane changes. I just thought I'd go on the road and just drive in one lane, which is ridiculous. You can't do that. And with your help, I know I'll get it. I feel confident now. I'm very impressed, Harminder. I think more people should become aware that driving and anxiety is a normal thing. I also understand that people who've been driving quite a bit, for whatever they're going through in their lives, I mean, I don't think they're going to contact you, but let's say they've been driving for 10 years and they're, solid drivers, confident drivers, and whatever's going on in their life, maybe they get a bout of anxiety. And not to say that they can't drive, but it's affecting them physically while they drive, etc., etc. But I'm just saying it can happen to anybody. But as for a new driver, whether you're just turned 16 years old, or whether you're, in your 30s, 40s, 50s, it doesn't matter, because a driver's license is not a luxury. It's a basic right that you can have. And, if you go on Toronto Driver's YouTube page, he'll address all these things, all of them, in the From Fearful to Fearless online course. I really suggest that you check it out first. Just go to the Toronto Drivers and it'll direct you to the link. He really does have a good, solid understanding of not only to teach you how to drive, but the feelings you might be experiencing that's hindering you from, putting your best foot forward.